Are you a little bit confused on how to add music to your Insta story? Well, no problem, because I'm here to help you out. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open your Instagram. Now at the top left corner, you'll see the icon where it says your story, so just tap on that. So if you want to take a photo right now through the camera, you can just select the camera option. If not, just select one of your photos through your gallery. And then at the top heading, you'll see 4 different icons. Just tap on the second one next to the letter AA right here. So just tap on that. And then if it's not showing already right here where it says music, you can always search it in the search bar. So you can see here it has popped up music. So you can just select whichever one you want. You can search it through this search bar right here. I'm just going to tap on this. So once you do that, you can see it pops up right here, and you can just put it wherever you want and just share it as you normally would. So that's it. That is how you add music to your Insta story. If your problem was solved and you're satisfied, do leave a like, comment, and subscribe.